Assalamualaikum students, I hope you are doing fine. In our yesterday's chapter, we have studied about animal and plant cells that were categorized in a special cell. Today we will be studying about tissues, animal tissues and plant tissues. Tissues are a group of similar cells which are specialized to perform a particular function. Some plants and animal tissues are given in a table below. Starting with an animal cells, epithelial tissues. Line tubes such as a gut and cover surface such as skin. It covers outside of the body and light organs and cavities internally. For example, lining of the digestive system. Connective tissue. Bind and strengthen other tissues such as tendons. Blood. Transport substance around the body and defend against diseases. Skeletal muscles. It supports and protects softer tissues and allows movement. Nervous tissues. It sets up nerve impulse and transmits them around the body. Muscle tissues, it contract to support and move the body. Coming towards the plant tissues, as you can see on the picture on the right side, this is an internal structure of leaf. Coming towards the parts of the plant tissues, epidermis, it protects against water loss and may be involved in absorption of water and ions. Mesophile, it helps in photosynthesis. Muscular tissue, it transports materials through the plant body, and it has two types, xylem cells and phylem cells. The last one is stretching tissues. It supports the plants. Coming towards the types of animal tissues. These are the list of animal tissues and they are also having their structure. Number one is blood, bone tissue, epithelial tissue, cartilage tissue, adipose tissue, nervous tissue, muscular tissue and connective tissue. You can see the internal structure and the colors of all animal tissues in this slide. Coming towards the function of epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue provides physical protection. It controls permeability. It helps to move fluids over the surface. It provides sensation, that is neuroepithelia. It also produces specialized secretions that is also known as glandular epithelium. Coming towards the functions of connective tissues. It provides support to epithelium. It gives strength and provides tensile strength to mechanical stress, that is dermis of skin ligament. Storage is about fat cells store fat while ground substance store food, ions and inorganic materials. Transport water, ions and inorganic materials and transported from blood to various tissues of body through connective tissue, that is known as matrix. Packing, they fill spaces, that is lost connective tissues and adipose tissues. It helps in repairing wound healing. Defense cells helps in defense action, that is plasma cells, macrophores, lymphocytes, monocytes and eosinophils. Functions of skeletal muscle tissue. There are 6 main functions of skeletal muscle tissues. It produces skeletal movement. It maintains posture and body position. It supports soft tissues. It helps in guard entrance and exit. It maintains body temperature and it also stores nutrient reserves. Coming towards the skeletal muscle tissue, as you can see in a diagram, the internal structure of muscle tissues, it is having striations, nuclei and muscle fiber. Cells of skeletal muscles are long, cylindrical, striated and multinucleate location, combined with connective tissues and neural tissues in skeletal muscles. Its function is to move the stabilized position of skeletal Guards entrance and existence of the digestive, respiratory unit tract, generates heat, and it also promotes internal organs. Nervous tissues. It controls and integrates all body activities within limits that maintain life. The three basic functions are sensing organs with sensory receptors, fullness of stomach or sun on your face, interpreting and remembering those changes, reaching to those changes with effectors, muscular contractions, and glandular secretions. Functions of muscle tissues. It helps in movement, it maintains the posture of a body, it also helps in joint stabilization, and it maintains heat generation of a body. Here is some tissues. Here is a slide about difference between plant and animal tissues. As you can see, in animal tissues, it is not properly combined together. There is a space between them. While in plant tissues, they are tightly joined together, and no space is found between them. Coming towards the brief discussion about plant tissues, dermis tissue system. It is the outer covering of a plant. Epidermal tissues, epidermis. It forms outermost layer. Cuticle. It has a waxy covering. It reduces evaporation and it inhibits microorganism invasion. Root hairs, extended root surface, increase absorption. Peridermal tissues, only in woody plants, that is also known as dead cells or bark, and it helps in production and it supports to the plant. Functions of epidermis. It protects the plant from water loss in transpiration. It acts as boundary tissue surrounding the plant. It exchanges the gases through the stomata, and it helps in storage of water and metabolic products. Mesophile, the part which lies between the upper and lower epidermis. Mesophile cells contain numerous chloroplasts. Photosynthesis occurs mainly in mesophile tissues. The mesophile tissues usually are of two types: palissalate mesophile and spongy mesophile. Palissalate mesophile, which usually consists of two layers of elongated parenchyma cells that are closely packed in a vertical manner, while spongy mesophile consists of irregular shaped parenchyma cells and it is loosely packed together. Plant cell, that is also known as plant cell vascular tissues. It transports food, minerals and water throughout the plant. It is having two types, xylem and phylem. Xylem moves water and minerals from roots to rest of the plant, while phylem transports sugar and organic compounds from leaves to the rest of the plant. So here is the end of the topic today. I hope you all get very fine today. I am assigning you an homework of today. You have to have to open page number 8. There is remember and understand. You have to do this exercise in your copy and you have to submit B by tomorrow. Till then, thank you so much for listening. Allah Hafiz. Exercise in your copy and you have to submit B by tomorrow. Till then, thank you so much for listening.